All right, let's talk about this question here. So we have a question here. XYZ has an inventory balance of $100,000 at the beginning of the year. During the year, the company made the following transactions, and they give you a whole series of events that occur. And the question really is, what is the ending inventory balance for XYZ company? Now, if you've looked at the shorts or seen other ways I've answered this, which you can find in the description below, one of the things I suggest here is to really make this a systematic approach to this answer. And the way I do this is through T accounts. And the reason being for this is that really, when you're given this question, they give you a beginning balance of $100,000, and they're really asking, what is the end balance? Okay? And what you can do is, by taking each of these events and saying, what does this do for the account, in this case, inventory, you can say which side of the account ledger it's going to end up, and you make the math really easy. You don't have to think very hard about this. So here you've got purchases, which is going to increase your inventory by $250,000, sales, which is going to use your inventory for $200,000. You've got these returns from customers at cost, which is where inventory is coming back to you. So it's going to come back into your accounts, so $10K back, and you've got a write-down, an accounting write-down of $5. Now, the result of that is that you end up with an ending balance of $155,000. But the reason being it's important to really systematize this is to really understand, if you are given different events, what occurs. Or to say, let's say they give you the beginning balance, the ending balance, and they give you a series of events and say, what happened with this, with this other event or this unknown event? Well, if you understand the math on this or how this is working, you can very quickly backtrack and figure it out. So when they ask you, for example, like what is cost of goods sold during the year? Well, you can use the beginning balance, the ending balance to try and help you get you there. So if they twist the question a little bit or ask you from a different direction, having a systematic approach lets you work with that and problem solve on the fly. That's why it's important. Now, this concept here of, say, what your beginning balance, your ending balance, your intervening events in the middle also applies to things like AR, where you're saying, where did I start, where did I end, and what has occurred to affect the account. So it's another approach that you can use beyond just inventory. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.